D problem. In this problem, we are given a string S and we can perform the operations where AI is equal to median of previous, current, and next. And also, the string is circular, which means for the first, the previous is the last one, and the next is the first one. So we have to find how many iteration we are required so that string will become stable. That means if you perform operation on S1, then again it will convert it into S1. So that means there is not any effect on S1. So then we will call it as a stable string. So for this problem we have two cases where one is where all the string are alternating. That means after 1 always 0, or after 0 1. So string is alternating. So if you can see in example, then for the first 0 1 0 1 0 1, it will convert it into string S2. If you call it as S1, then it will convert it into S2. Then again you will see if you perform the same operation on it, then again it will convert it into the same string as S1. So this will went into the cycle. That means S1 to S2 again S1. So it keeps flipping forever. And other case will be when string is not alternating. So for that we have to find what is the longest alternating segment. To count what is the longest alternating segment, we need to handle the case of circular string. So to handle the case of circular, we have to add the same string at the end. So if you add the same string, then it handle the case of, like, for the last the previous is the for the last the next is the first one. So if you add the at the end the same string, then for the last the next is the first one, and also for this first one the previous is the last. So this handle the case of circular dependency. So now to find the longest alternating substring, we have to check like how we got this intuition. So if you take an example, then you will see, like, here the length of the longest alternating substring is every time decreasing after each operation. Like if you see, the length of alternating string is decreasing. So when it reaches to 0, after this the string will always same. And also here some alternating string, then it also decreasing. The length of the alternating string is decreasing. So we just need to find what is the length of the longest alternating string. For this the longest string is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So for this the length of longest alternating substring is 10, and here 2 to 6, 2 to 4 6. So here's 6, not 6 7, it is 7. So we will take the maximum of all this, because maybe here it is to the same, but the for this part the longest alternating string is 10. So we find for each part how many iteration we required. For this we required 5, and for this we required 4. So we I added 1 plus 1 because to handle the case of odd. So we just need to return the maximum length plus 1 divided by 2, because in each operation the length is reduces by 2. So we need to divide it by 2. So this is the intuition. The code is simple. We are just calculating if the S0 is same as S1. That means we are just here checking if all the string is alternating. If the all string is alternating, then we will return -1, because it always go from s1 to s2 then again to s1. And to handle to find the length of longest alternating string, we are just checking if s1 does not equal to s minus 1, then we will increment our current. If equal, then we initialize with 1. We are just finding what is the maximum length. After that, we are just doing the length plus 1 to handle the case of odd, because for the odd the string will reduce from 7 to 5, 5 to 3 to 1. So it will be 4 step. So that is the 7 plus 1 divided by 2. Thanks for watching this video.